What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading. Hope you all had an amazing day today and a great night last night. I just got to say, wow, we really just incredible today in action in the MOJO Day Trade room. I'm going to scroll right up here to this morning, show you what we went on. And between the teamwork, between myself, Pro Trader Renteria, Pro Trader Mike D, Pro Trader Gerardo, Pro Trader Allen, Pro Trader Mar, some of the top guys in here. You know, I just had a message from a guy that says it's rare to find, you know, a whole group of such great pro traders sharing ideas and making money and stuff. So I'm going to show you what went on this morning. That makes sense. I'm working on a few right now. Okay. Checking my main screen out right here. Great. Thank you so much. So I'll show you some of the messages that I'm speaking with some of the guys in the room. You'll definitely appreciate that. And we have DPW making a move right here in the Mojo room. DPW is the pick. We own it at 80 cents. We're up 100% right now on the pick at $1.65. 106.25% on this stock. We own it at 80, underneath where it was right now. So if you look right here, we own this stock about right around in these 3 days, 83 cents, 80 cents right here. You see it? So we got that DPW. We've owned it for 39 days. 39 days on DPW. Back right here, I think we had, did we have Mara? Last time we owned DPW was August, maybe? July? I think DPW on 10/27. Right here, got the wrong price on it. 25, 26. Right around here, it was $1.25 and it rode up to $1.40 and then came down here to 68 and we got it at 80 and been in it for 39 for a long time. $73 now. 73 now. $173 now. Colt, thanks. Oh, thank you. I'll check it out. Thank you, Colt. Appreciate it. Have you checked out the TFS yet? For the trading account? Let me know about that. Let me show you a message I'm doing with this guy right here in the chat room. I told him I'm going live. I said, if you come to my chat room from the free pass or wherever you get the free pass from, guys, whether it's myself or another invite to the room, I just want to welcome you and ask what you think of the chat. He says he's impressed because he's been part of a few chat rooms, but nothing extravagant. I'll show you how I find the great setups. Thanks. Thank you, Mr. Beats. I'll show you how I picked CEI today at $1.80 and it's at $2.80. We'll show you all of that today, absolutely. No question about it. It's going to be a great afternoon. So he's been impressed because this feels more like a team sharing the trade ideas than the usual arguing and front loading before alerting, which is like, you know, what these other guys do. So we do this every day and he really likes what I've built here. Some of you pro traders are simply amazing. Most chat rooms have 1 or 2 real members with large accounts and they never share their trades until they're ready to sell basically to the room. So that's a great, I love that as well. Thank you for sharing that. Absolutely. Let me fix right there. I said, yeah, because they have no system and no longevity. My average pro trader has been with me for 4 years. Alan's been with me for 7. We're a community of traders that all pros because we all took the same course that I taught, so everybody's on the same page, so it makes it really easy and simple to follow. Unfortunately, I haven't had the chance to log in. Planning on it this weekend. Oh, nice. Good job. Which one did you join? The intro or the student? So let me show you what we did today, what was hot and what's not today, guys. Show you what all the action was really good. Let me show you this, what's hot right now. All right, so back over to the main screen. 163, just checking the price right now. That was yesterday, so I'm right on track. So top gainers today, guys. Check it out. You have the stock MRNS, which is called Marinus Pharmaceuticals. It's actually made a really big spike, and we're looking at the 5-minute charts right now. I'm going to switch to on all these. So you made a move up, down, sideways. It went a little higher. This is a 12.15. So this is one of the things that I teach in Mojo University is identifying right here after a move up and a down and a sideways, which way is it going to go? You know what I'm saying? Is it going to go higher or is it going to go lower? And right here, it went higher. And you look at the time and it's 11:15, 11:30. Then again at 12:15, it did it again. And then again at right there, this was the same move actually. So it started at the 12:15. So that's what you got to look at right there. And that's called the Green Giant Hulk trade play combination off this open right here, guys. That's the GG Hulk. And these are your time frames on the move higher. I'm not going to paste that into the room, but you guys see that on the show right there? Absolutely right. So that's called the Hulk Green Giant trade play, guys. And off Marinus right here, you made the opening move. It came down. It goes sideways. Which way does it go? Higher or lower? That's indicated by this pattern right here, which is called the Green Giant Hulk combination. Traded 836,000 every 5-minute bar and thus went higher later in the day. The next one on the list was XP. $34.39. XP, never heard of it. And then CTIC, heard of that one. That's CTIC at $1.27. At $1.27. Made a nice big move this morning. Really nice. I'm going to stretch this chart out so it's a little bit easier to see what these stocks have done right here. The fourth one down is ABEO. Stock has gone from $3 to $4.12. Really nice on ABEO. It made a big move from 370, 380, 390 right through 4. So it did a great sequence once it started getting close to Heinz on $4. The next one down is PLAB. We traded this off the open. It made a big move. Look at the spike from 13.75 to 15.13. Big move on PLAB today. Then came down to 14.51 stopping station and bounced back up really nice. That was PLAB. MBOT was one of our the biggest winner besides CEI in the room today. MBOT I got right here on this first volume bar at 10:30 at 7:19. I said, you know, if it goes through 750, the volume's going to pick up because it never traded any volume. Then if it gets close to 8, look what's going to happen. So it went 719.20, 730. We added there. We added more shares there. So I could have, this is the classic front run. So the moderator and the inner circle guys, I tell them privately to go buy this stock right here. Then I alert it to the room. The whole room buys it and takes us out here at $8. You all own it, hundreds of traders at $8.50. And the stock comes all the way down to a bottom right here of $7.50. You lose 1 point, but the moderators made a point. It's not a good thing. Instead, I alerted it to the room here at 7:16. So on this first bar right there, I alerted. We added there, and then through 7:50, it made a rocket ship up and it went to $9, and everyone made a huge profit. And I'll show you that tick by tick, time frame by time frame, timestamp by timestamp in the room as I called out those picks to the traders in the Mojo room. LMPX, we nailed this morning, one of the first trades of the day. Right there, it went from 15 to 17.50 on the open. Then it came all the way down here and then all the way back up to 17. So it's actually made a 10-point move and it's pretty much done nothing. So it's very volatile and crazy. Ollie, they called it through 70 this morning on the spike up. You could see it went 67. It went right here, 67, 68, 69. The top right there is 71. 71 right there. I wonder if I can make the labels. And I want to make these labels bigger so you can see the 71, but you can't. STCN, $1.35 by 9. Derm. Ooh, Derm made a big move today. Look at this move. Stock went from $10 right here, $10.20 on that spike, and it ran all the way to $11.40 without stopping. Right above that blue line, which is the moving average line, and the stochastics right here, which kept it in rail grind. That's a really, really nice one right there. The next one was ASPU. Didn't trade that one. Not MOTS. MOTS made a nice spike right here, but it's traded only $2.19, and we like it to trade millions. NTGN, and that's pretty much the gainers list. Now let's get to the action in the Mojo room and off what's hot and not, and let's go say hello to the team. Let's see. All right, guys. So this is how I finished out yesterday. I just got to see what this guy's message is. Hold on a second. Great. Thank you, Colt, for letting me know that. Let's head back over. Okay, so yesterday Richie had a really good day. A lot of the show is going to be about this pro trader Richie. Yesterday, you could see right here, just to go through a little bit. This was yesterday at 3:16. This is what he made yesterday in the Mojo Day Trade room. Here's how I did today on TCCO. I made 56,353. Here's the screenshot at 12:53 in the afternoon. He traded 17,000 shares and sold 17,000 shares for $56,353. And the stock made a move. It went from $4 to $9 a share. Okay. You want to go out? You're not going to go out and bark, are you? Go. All right. Super fantastic. Super fantastic. So, I mean, phenomenal. People make that in 1 year, folks. In 1 year. And I got Trader doing this daily. So check out this. We've got a beautiful move right there. I'm very impressed with the big money on that. Great day. He's actually up 118 for the day, still holding open positions on AUPH and CLPS. So let's see what the open positions have done on those trades. AUPH and CLPS. Oh, that was yesterday. It worked out amazing. So he's up $600,000. Counting the other 60 he hasn't closed out today. He's up $118,000 for the day and $660,000 in the last 35 days and 5 weeks. It's awesome, Richie. Congratulations, buddy. It's been an amazing 5 weeks with Mojo. The course is even better. The same course he took, he didn't pay a penny for it. He became a member of the chat room. I gave him the course for free. Otherwise, he may not even have done this because he had a bad taste in his mouth from other courses and other gurus and moderators front running and him never making money before, him coming to me and me assisting him with the program and showing him the tools and really how to bait the hook, fish, and tie the knot. Because if you don't know how to tie the knot and you do the hook, the fish bites it and pulls it right off and you have line left. So unless someone really shows you how to tie that hook, put that bait on correctly, I throw that thing up on the kite, man, with them rods, dude. I really do some good fishing out there. I show everyone how to fish high level caliber. Learning how to manage his trades. The course is better. Dope level too. I'm sure he meant to say dope, not nope. From taking the course twice has been more important than the great picks. Price was perfect. And yes, great job. He's in for 2 weeks and he still rewatches parts of the course every night to learn something new every night. Pro Trader BKN. And them's are the ballsies on Richie. Because Richie's been making... That's what Ramey said. He's got some big ones. So we're laughing at that. We always laugh in the Mojo room. But without the knowledge, I was losing money until I got the knowledge I needed from Mojo. I didn't even see that. I want that. I want that. That's a good one. Thank you, Mr. Richie, on that. Mojo, you on the Rich. Good job. Pro Trader Richie Rich right there. So we nailed, he's not going back to the well. He could have made more money, but he didn't go back to the well. It can get you in trouble. His key on TC is so it's hanging through 10 early, but bailing out at 10 before it crashed. Then we got the WOW trade play in effect right there. WOW at 13, went to 15. There's 15. Then that's a dream team, guys. Come please be part of the dream team. I have a 30% off special. I'll become a member of the chat room, man, and you get the course for free. It's a great deal. You become the MVP, the real deal. Here's what I did yesterday on the TFS system. This is the account that you could trade. We traded great stock. We traded Beyond today. Traded JDST, Omer, Overstock, UGAZ, and UVXY, solid green. The key is small shares and trades. That's the key. Because I win pretty much 100% of the time. As you could see, it's hard to lose. And the accuracy and the small trades, they add up. When you go for large shares, you're accurate maybe for the home run 20% of the time, but you lose a lot when you're wrong. And that's why 9 out of 10 traders do the second. They go for the large ones. So it's time to show you the Mojo way that you can do a lot of smaller trades, keep track of those trades so you spot on expertise and know what you're doing, and you're going to continue to make money. Overstock's doing real nice. 720 now on Overstock. Had that this morning, went as low as 692. Made a really nice rebound. Had that one this morning. Still got some of those shares. So then we made a move, as I told you, on Ollie. Ollie went right here from 62 to 63 to 64 to 65 to 66 to 68 to 70 on Ollie. That was a move it did yesterday on the after hours. Darn, look, it just jumped all the way. I got to show you the original pick on the camber while you look at my screen. So we got 717. There's the move on overstock right there. I had overstock right there at 705. So $10. Here's MBOT. You won't believe the MBOT trade was so spectacular. Right here, I'm at 10 o'clock. All right, let me switch back over. And subscribe to my channel, guys, so when I go live, you get notified. It's down there in the right-hand corner. So check out how this day started. Follow me in the Mojo room. So we're in today at 9:30, and we got this bit of news. So we got 1 minute to the open, and the opening bell rings, and we got SFET, could move, CEI, we like that one, at $1.96 to go to 2. Nothing official yet. Nothing official yet. Did a trade on LMPX from 1650 through Heinz 17 right there. Added right at 97. Sold it through at 9 and did that. Anyone getting in the beyond? Alan got 200 shares. Stock ran 2 points from 74.80 to 74.55, up 70 cents. All right, CEI, boom, here we go. You guys did good. CEI share. So he did a trade on CEI here through the 2. And right here, Boomalicious at 235. Where's the signal for the room? It was a little earlier. Here's the move of what we do today. Excuse me. Where's Renteria's pick this morning? Where he just picked CEI to really bang out. Hey, Ross, welcome to Florida, man. Hope you're having a good time in Miami. Saw you this morning. So CEI right here is making the big move. He picked it at $1.80 and said, just do this one, you're done for the day. It's nice when mornings are like this. The room should be super happy. He gave it out. I'll show you the pick. We did CEI, UGAS, LMPS, and STCN. Looks like one of those days all of a sudden the volume goes in. It's 9:44 in the morning. Yeah, welcome to Miami, Ross. All these new traders. Alex, you've been to the room so many. He said, I'm not Jason Bond. James Bond. He goes, I'm not Jason Bond. As soon as he left, CEI ripped. Renteria. Yep, pull the trigger. Thank you, Pro Trader Rent. Here it is. So at 9:27 a.m., there is specific instructions. Now, you don't have to listen to that, but he's been in the room for years. He's in the $1 million club. The play this morning is CEI over 2. So you can have the rest of the day for yourself. Loves this job. Okay, that was a beautiful move. Got a Hulk GG combination, which I showed you. So here's the Hulk GG combination on CEI, which I said before it ever is going to go, it's going to come down, go to the right, and then go higher. Watch. It's 9:46. It's got a Hulk GG combination. At 11:15, it's going to make its big move up. I said that at 9:46. So you could have left. You could have came back at 11 o'clock and done that trade. It's what I teach in Mojo University. It's one of the trade plays called the Hulk trade play. That's why my avatar is the Hulk, because I'm a master at that. I'm the chief trading officer. So I'm telling you, This is somewhat of a top. We may get one more spike, and then it's going to settle and go to the right. Watch what it does. 237. It's 948. I said, listen, it's done. We already made them. Let it settle. Then we're going to get in after, and it's going to go higher. Watch. 215. In 1 minute, it went from 237 to 215. Sick is right. Look at the drop. See? Look at the drop. Then I said we're going to buy it at 207, right on this drop. See it? 207. And we're going to sell it at 213 and higher. Sell 222. Beautiful. Stay focused. I don't want to do another pick. I don't want to stay focused. I'm telling the team, staying focused. Staying focused. Staying focused. People are putting out picks. I want all these guys to listen to me on the microphone. I got Eddie listening to me on the mic right now. That's it. Just Eddie. The stock went 420 to 380. And now it's 360 in a second. So right here, we're going to grab, the stock went, my size, the one they told me went from 440 to 360 in a second. So we're going to try to grab some at 365 at the low of the day. That's my pick. And here's CEI. So CEI came down. It is 956. You got the Hulk, GG, that's the green giant. You could see the big green giant bars right here. They're big and green. Big and green. Other things make it the Hulk that you got to learn in the course, why I call it the Hulk. And how do I know at 11:15 it's going to go higher? And I drew it. It's going to go to the right, then it's going to go higher. It's called the Hulk trade play. What I teach in the course. Have I been trading PTI? No, there was no need. Because there was CEI was better. CEI was better. Okay. So we're in the Hulk trade play. And you guys is making a move. So you guys made a nice move. CEI, another really good trade. Got you guys at 50. It went up, it went higher. But that's not the trade. The trade was the 207 stopping station. And now it's at 227. So that dip was a great buy. He tried to get in at 201, but he didn't get filled. So I got it right there on the bottom of that bar. And now it's 224. It went 202. He missed it. Yep. We didn't. Alan did a market order and got it at 20458. 20458. Alan got 200 shares of Beyond at the open at 75. It's 77. $400 profit right there in Beyond. Right there. Beauty. Then you got the Plab. We nailed that one up here. 1489 to go through 15. So you could have gotten Plab. Anybody could have done this one. It's 1489 by 90. It's never been higher. And I'm calling it through Heinz 15. And there it goes. 1510 real fast. 1507. $15.19. Beautiful. Richie must have made $500,000 today. Yep. On CEI and Plab. And the big one was MBOT. MBOT. That was a $25,000 trade or $250 trade or a $2,500 trade for the team accordingly to the size of the accounts that you're trading. Here goes CEI right here. It's going to go through 250 now. You could see it's going to start to move. CEI, there it goes, 280. From 180 to 280 on CEI. 180 to 280. And then we've got JDST moving a little bit. PLAB as well. Look, here's Jason Bond. I always have a stop out and a potential. He goes, great pick on the stock. You made a point. I said, thanks, man. Here's the pick. He goes, I always have a stop and a potential target. But I always, before I get in, I don't follow picks. I'm just curious. He goes, what are you doing here? He goes, that was a nice dollar move. He goes, where's your target? I said, dude, where's your target? As soon as you say in your head, oh my gosh, look at this thing's profitable, start selling some of it, man. Kidding me? It was called at $1.80, the CEI over 2, so you can have the rest of the day. I love this job. See? He goes, I'm not Jason Bond for your information. I was just seeing what you're all about. No biggie. You're right. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So he learned to like this ketchup and learned a lot, but he went to go refill his ketchup. And we did PTI. If it could break 5 Heinz, it's going to rip. So they were doing PTI for your information right there at the 10:22 a.m. by Pro Trader Renteria. Today mentioned that one right there. See that? And that was the PTI. And PTI went to 472 high. See, so that's not the play. Then we took a break. PTI right there. There's the nice move on it right there. See if we can get a big spike in volume. Otherwise, it's not going to be a play. It moved from 446. Then you picked UVXY right there to pop through 16. It did. It's at 1604 right now. And here's the trade. So MBOT, all of a sudden, it makes a move. All of a sudden, you could see it right here. The volume on that bar was 9,000 shares, and the volume on the other bar was 6,000 shares. This is the kind of thing that everybody is the perfect opportunity to what's called front run. I could have bought the shares, could have told Alan, could have told a couple of other people, and then all of a sudden, everybody else buys it and gets stuck and takes us out with their money. It's not the right thing to do karma-wise, and that's the difference between me and the other rooms and moderators. Doesn't matter about my trading and what I do. It only matters what the room does and how it's executed to a large group of people that could all take 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 shares of that kind of stock and build a position as it goes higher to sell it even higher than that. And here's this, it's 731 by 6. I say the volume is low, but it can easily pick up. And I'm telling you all that. I'm not buying it first and telling, listen, this volume's low, but we'll get it to pick up. Well, it'll spar, not happening, guys, in the Mojo room. That's the difference between myself and a lot of the other rooms that are growing small accounts. They're using the people's buying in the room to take themselves out because they really have no system in play on what to do. So then it goes 731 by 37. It went from 1031.09 to 1031.28, and I drew a little circle around it. It's could be an early catch and nibble. So like you throw it in, it's like this could be a huge catch. There's like a whole school of dolphin around, and you got the big bull. So if the little ones nibble, dude, at this we can get the big bull coming in, and if we catch the bull, oh boy, look at that. Imagine if that thing takes through 750. Nice. We just need a burst of volume. I agree. Me and Renter, we agree 100% totally on that. And at 750, we could see, it hasn't done it yet, some volume if it goes above 750. So we're analyzing, we're putting the chip, we're making the risk reward bets. We're executing the plan, and then UVXY does a little Heinz, and then PTI's moving for him, and great job on PTI. So every morning, guys, 10 people like this one, there's one stock when the market opens that's so super strong. The volume and trend is higher, so we stick to that with the Heinz pricing and this wow effect. When everybody says wow, 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 we should be good for many, many years to come. Absolutely. Let's see if I have a new thing in here. So we'll be on our way. That's $1 million right there. And that's with the Heinz. My little Heinz. If they say it's impossible, remember. If they say it's impossible, remember that it's possible for them, not for you. Let's read that slow again. So if they say it's impossible, you can't do it, remember, it's possible for them, not for you. I'm not getting that. It's not a trade. It's if they say it's impossible, remember that it's impossible for them. Not, yeah, okay, it's impossible for them. Got it, man, not for you. Yeah, it's not impossible. So if they say, dude, I can't do that, it's impossible to make $600,000 in 40 days. Well, it's impossible for them, not for you, for me and my team. So here's MBOT, guys. It makes another little move up, and it traded 11,004. That could have been us, and we're starting at 742 to 46. It's starting slowly to get to 750. Slowly getting to 750. There's the AUPH that Richie's got. CEI's 270 making a move. SRNE, $4. That ripped through too. Everything's moving. UV Heinz, 16. So right there, we're like 11 trades and one loser on JDST. That's it. So here's UV, sold that one. Beautiful. So we're at 750 now. Like 10 minutes has gone by. There's a signal at 751. Then it goes 51 by 58. So we're going to add some shares there as the team. Then it goes 768 by 74. Add a little bit more sequencing into $8. Strength is building up on MBOT. And I have caught this thing early. I caught it right here on the first 2 bars it did, right here. And now it's really starting to creep up. And it's in rail grind right here. So all the technicals and everything looked really amazing on MBOT. And then it goes 774 to 81. And now you're going to really start to get aggressive with it because it's huge, dude. It's huge. 785. MBOT's going to go, dude. $8 right there. So we really added beautiful into Heinz, $8. Everybody's got a great position.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Well, yes.
Give me a Y. Give me an E. Give me an F. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
And we're really ready to score and make some money. So right now the stock is like candy. As it goes through 8, we're going to start to sell on the way up. Just like we bought 3 times going in, we're going to sell 3 times going out. When Mike buys or sells, he calls it out live as he does, not after like most people do. Thank you, Bobby. Thanks, Bobby. Awesome. So we got $8 cresting with a lot of profits potential if it makes a move. And every time it touches 811, there's a special kind of thing that happens. And there it goes. 820. And there's a large amount of stock on the ask. 840. 840. 840. 845. 845, it went from 1057.46 to 1057.51. See if it goes 850. We're going to start to sell here. There it goes. So I caught this thing right here, guys. Amazing, huh? These little bars now are little compared to the volume that's coming in and how I picked it before it moved. I showed you and I told you I was going to do that. 850. Big money's being made right now. 860. 870 by 9. Here comes $9. Signal at 9:30. MBOT, beautiful trade. That's how I roll, folks. So if you like that, give me a thumbs up on my video, guys, when you watch this today, now, or tonight. After the show's over, there'll be some other videos that pop up on the screen right up there in the corner, and a subscribe in the middle if you haven't subscribed. And guys, Google and YouTube like videos that have thumbs up. And when you like them, because it says, look, if you like my videos, I'm going to recommend this video when someone searches day trading and put out Mike's video because a lot of other people like it. They respected it. I could take that digital respect and put it out and get some more views and help for me. So I helped you with the edutainment, and then you helped me with all that.
Well, yes. Yes.
Good. Thank you so much. So give me the subscribe to the channel. Give me the thumbs up, guys. I got the holiday special going. Like my vids. Here's we got this. Check them out. Look at all those winners. All right, guys, let's head back to the show. Remember to subscribe, please, because we're always on fire in the Mojo room. So MBOT, it went to 9, and then it came all the way back down. You see where the arrow is? At 777 to go back through 8. That's where I called the rebuy. Look, 777 to 82 at 1107. It's a stopping station. We're going to long rebuy half the size. So I'm telling you exactly where to buy it with a nice nickel range, so there's no problems. It's coming down. You can easily buy it. Where the stop is, we're buying it here. So what the risk reward is, you're going to risk a nickel to make a bunch. You're always risking a nickel to make a quarter, 5 to 1. Check it out. $8.25. I didn't even finish my sentence and it bounced back. So I'm on the microphone telling the traders exactly how to day trade for a living, when to buy the entries. They're my picks, and it's for education purposes. I'm teaching everybody. Whether they trade or don't trade, it's completely up to you. I have a disclaimer in the top of the room right here, guys. Look, MOJO Day Trading, we're a provider of stock market education. We're not a registered investment advisor with any securities or exchanges of federal agencies. The business services and activities of MOJO Day Trading don't require such registrations. And you understand there's a high degree of risk in trading. Actually, most traders lose all their money. The companies, authors, anybody involved, we don't assume responsibility or liability for your trading and results. One guy's results aren't basically your results. You know what I mean?
Yes.
And past results of a trader aren't indicative of future. And these are all the rules, guys. You know, the room. You got to know that when you come in. Okay? I'm not responsible for you. Each morning there's a supermarket stock that opens up in the supermarket. Everything's on sale. It's the hot winter, man. Roll back down here. I was at my second trade at 772 on MBOT. There it went to 9. Look at that roll to 9. It's unbelievable, dude, how I roll. So we got the next one there, and it actually turned out to be the #1 gainer on the NASDAQ. And I mentioned LMPX would move at 11.15 too on the same kind of move, and it did. Yep. And here's MBOT. I picked it right there, and it ran to right there. Check that out, guys. DPW, the swing pick, looking ripping roaring today. It's one of the swings. You'll see that. Here's DPW making its move from $1 to $1.60. That's a 60% move for DPW swing pick. Here's PEC from 255 to 3. Another swing pick. If you watched my newsletter on Sunday night, these are swings that a lot of the traders have. He's got them, dude. PEC and DPW, some great day trades today and some awesome swing trades as well, producing the combination to be daily returns for us that I don't think anyone else can match. PEC is a nice one. It reminds me of GSHH. Okay, nice. Better wipe your eyes and sleep. You better wipe the sleep out of your eyes, man, on that PEC. Everyone get an early lunch because I'm running errands, and we're going to come back and have a great afternoon, which we're doing right now. Got it? Let's do that. Let's scroll forward. There's rail grinding on MBOT right there, back down on the MBOT. When I came back from lunch right now to buy this thing at 760 for a move back up. So the guys that did that through the 9 are back in with me right here on MBOT at 760. MBOT right now is 810. 810. 810. You see it. I picked it. So if you're in the room at 12:59, we did an entry here. Entry. So you're going to tap it. And then we're going to add higher 2 more times. We're never going to add lower. So you knew exactly what to do on MBOT at 760. It's 810 right now. Okay? And guys and gals, when you come to the room, don't just put out a symbol. Put out the C2, which puts out the chart and the symbol. See? C2. C2. And then it'll throw up the chart. That's exclamation point. C for the chart. 2 for the 2-minute time frame. Space, and then the symbol. And it'll throw up the chart. Here's CEI making a beautiful move. And what time is it? 12:15. Here's the other move it did at 11:15. Here's the 11:15 move. Here's the 12:15 move. You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You better ask somebody, baby. That's right. That's how I roll. Oh, yeah, you're sleeping on that, GSHA. So we got $660,000 in profits in the MOJO Day Trade room, just in trader. In the picks are super phenomenal. They trade a lot of shares. Just amazing. So here's right here, SRNE, 294, 297. Oh, no, this is CEI coming through 3. CEI now coming through a Heinz 3 right now. So this is a new trade. We're going to go through 3. No one in their right mind would do this, but it's a system that I have, and you can't stop the Heinz. So will it go through 3? Yes, from 12:29 to 12:30 to 12:31. It's at 306 by 307. 30, and we're taking profits. He's making a lot of money. He's yawning, looking at the profits. How much did he make? Let's see, 308 by 10. He made $3,245.71. That's amazing. That's amazing. Then it fell. It did a Cupid top and dropped from 330 all the way down here to 275. So we're going to get it, same thing like the other one at the stopping station, 277 to 82. It's called SS, my stopping station. So my accuracy today and my number of picks is phenomenal. 25 picks, 24 winners, 281 by 5, 280 by 84. They're auto closing people that just took us out at $3 and change. So if you bought here into the 310s, you're losing your stock here back to Mojo at 280, 274. And we're going to buy this dip right here, which you see on my screen right here. So I'm expecting it to come back up on the green. You know what I'm saying? I'm risking a nickel to make 25 cents. See? Watch, 283. Good learning on this one. Absolutely. Selling here, 286. And here's Camber Energy. I had it at 19 cents in 2017. They're engaged in the exploration and production of oil and natural gas in Texas. That was my pick at 19 cents on June 16th. Then it made a drop down here to 249, guys. Look, from 330 to 249. Look. And we're going to get it right here. Buying at 248, 247, 250. See it? We're buying. We're going to buy that dip right there. 255, 259, 260, 262. Look, it's making the rebound back up. See? Look, it's making the rebound back up. See? Look, 263, 264. Start selling. Mojo's a badass. Look. So if you see, we did this one here and it went up. We did this one here and it went really up. Now we're going to do this one here and it's going to go way up. Watch. Damn, I did it again. Every time I press the escape button, it flies to the beginning. So I got it here. Then it went 260, 264, 272. Look at that move back up. Look at that. Awesome. And what I have on the watch list this morning, I had my size at 4. It went as high as 30 cents higher for an 8% gain. PTI from 425 went 40 cents higher for 11% high of 472. That one daily high was 430. So my size from 4 went to 430. PTI on the watch list went up 47 cents. SFET from 450, high of 480. Then SYBX from 295 only went up a nickel. And WRTC went up 48 cents. So you have a 7, a 2, a 7, an 11, and an 8 on the watch list from this morning on the MOJO Day Trading website. And that's amazing stuff, guys. Stock's 806 right now by 810 on MBOT. Let's head over to the swing trading channel and check out the swing picks, shall we? So this first one right here is called Sea Change. This was picked on 12/6. That's Sunday night. SEAC. Sea Change. Sea Change right now is 392. High of 405. I'm going to switch to the daily on these. It went yesterday. This was on Sunday. So it went right here to 444 from 409. So Sea Change, SCAC, was picked at 409, high 444. Okay, I'm going to do that for each of these babies. Now, the next one is Creative Realities. And the first one, Sea Change, I'll do a real quick circle on the chart. They did 1.8 million versus 291. I'll do the whole Ken Slim from the beginning. $1.06 loss to a 5 to a 28 gain, increase of 460. Our analyst estimates over the next 2 years. Insider buying at $1.56 went 8.5, 18.8, and 20 million. They've got new highs. They make digital video systems used to manage and distribute video programming and advertising content with a new high breakout above 375 and a cup and handle, which you see right here. And then you have the sequential breakout, which is beautiful. It did a saucer down here and did that breakout right there. I'm going to change the color of my whiteboard if you don't mind. I don't like that green color. How about red? There we go. Red's much better. So you got that insider buy right there. You got the 3/4 of increases. You have that. That's the CAN. The S is 36 million and 21% by funds with a 99 relative strength. Beautiful. And that's the C change that went from 409 to 440, which was a nice 10% gain on C change. The next one is Creative Realities. Creative Realities went loss of $1.09 to gaining a penny to gaining 10 cents. That's 1,000% gain. They did 4 quarters of 28%, 133%, 160%, and 122% increases. They're going to have to break this 245 right here on 9.8 million shares and 1% on the float. First, they got to break the $2 target at 168 on Creative Technologies. Let's take a look on CREX and see where that one is. CREX is 170 with a high of 180. CREX. So CREX, CREX, was picked at 168. Just make sure. 168. High, 180. Hasn't even sniffled yet. So that's CREX. Creative Realities right there. Looking for it to go over 205 right there. So you have those two. Then you have Sigmatron on 12/6, did 74 million in the last quarter, 4.2 and 18%. It's got to break 510. It's got 58,000 and 10,000 average, which is very low volume. So it was on the watch list. SGMA, think. Nothing. It wasn't on the Y. It's on the Y. Didn't do anything. No volume because it's got to trade. Air Industries. This one's good. It's trading 6 times volume. It was actually a pick right here in the newsletter that went out on 12/9. Only sent out 2 picks in the newsletter that were official. Which was ADIL at $1.51. So you have ADIL right here at $1.51. I got to save this. ADIL winner. This one was really nice. I'll put it up in the room. And ARI, Air Industries Group, I'll put this one up in the room and I'll go over it as well. 2 winners in the Sunday newsletter. So if you join the day trade room and the swing for the special above, you got those 2 picks on Monday. They went out on Monday, not Sunday. Because I wanted to see how the market opened with this whole group. So out of the whole group that I'm showing you, I picked 2 of them. And these are the 2. They're only top 2 picks. And just to put them in right here, I'll put them in after I do that. So you have Air Industries, PEC, P-E-K. This one I liked. 5.6 million, 8% by funds, 4 quarters. Got to do a break of 250 into 3. PEC, P-E-K. is 297 high today. Here's Peck, made a spike today. A lot of these don't trade big volume. It's only traded 96,000, so it's not a play. They got to trade and trigger. So that's Peck, P-E-K. And that's the third one. So it never triggered. Never triggered. So I can't put it in as a pick and where it went to because it never triggered. Let's go to the next one. Mohawk, 56,000. Won't trigger either. No volume. MWK, waiting for the volume to pick in. It's traded 20,000 shares. Can't do it yet. So once the volume picks in, then this is a very nice consideration. It was an IPO at 10 bucks. So this one's on the watch too. Air Industries got the volume, 129,000 versus 29. That was one of the picks that I did because it had the volume. ARI, ARI. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. ARR, ARI. Let's take a look at ARI. I never heard of it before I saw it this Sunday. ARI's $1.80 by $1.82, been as high as $1.84, and a new record volume of 168,000, up 11%. High 184 today. Picked 168. ARI picked 151. The other was picked 58. Move the screen over there, please. Thank you. So ARI was picked 151, high 184 on ARI. That was the actual pick on ARI and Adel. I only picked 2 out of the whole group because you could see they're in the newsletter. The other ones are just framed. I picked 10 of them. Out of the 10, I selected 2 of them. Rumble on at 80 cents. RMBL is interesting down here. It's 90 cents. So it's actually bottoming up and going back up. This one, Rumble on right here. Looks okay. Then this one, Adel. This was a pick. At the 151, traded 130,000 versus 30 with volume picking up. Did really, really nice on Adel. That was the pick. SAEX Exploration also was a potential pick. Tatron. I'm looking at the rest of the, and then these were the ones from last week. GLG at $1.23. Went up huge. 234 high on GLG today. 234 high. Now it crashed. So you got to take profits when it goes up. They come down hard, guys. ACHV at 92 cents. See that one? ACHV at 92. Also, I show you, look how you got to take profits. Went from 92 to $1.17. Now it's back at 8, below where you bought it. So why wouldn't you have taken profits when it went up there, right? You don't let the winner turn to a lose. It's probably a good buy right down here again. So we'll take a look at that. That's how we work things. MBOT came back down 772. So that's the combination of the swing trading picks, guys, from the newsletter. You got those 2 picks from Sunday. MOJO Day Trading is great. I love looking to wake up and see what's going to be the amazing stock of the day that I'm going to hit. I showed you last week, Mara, all these ones, DPW that I had in the swing. Look at my last couple of videos that I go through StockHoot and show you all these picks. Look, I got Gene. Gene! Guys, Gene finally moving. Look, oh my God. Look, live on the show. Gene, I got it here, guys. Look. Gene at 210, it's 230. I've held it since 1020, guys. I'm selling it. Part of it, just like DPW, I've held for so long. Oh my gosh. Gene, guys, is finally moving. We get to close some of the position. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it, guys. Gene, look. Guys, Gene, look. The Gene swing, look. Look what it's doing. Wow, I can't believe it. 52 days, dude. 52 days in that baby. Finally, man. Look at that. Gene, I held it. I sold these other ones for a loss. Look. I sold AYTU. I was like, I'm out of that. Oh, that was the one I sold here for 74. I put it in twice by accident. So I sold it right here, and it's at 69. I'm glad I sold this one, Rumble On, at 97's 87. And I'm like, I'm going to hold the Gene and the CLIR and the 8. These other ones, I'm going to hold, even though I'm down on. Now, look, I'm up. How sweet is that, dude? Live on the Mojo Show, guys. What's the news? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Look at that. Gene, what's the news? Jeanette for breast can't commission to sales to commence in the first quarter of 220. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, guys, huh? My Gene's moving. Gene. When did I pick that one? Gene is in the 1020 newsletter. Gene's in the 1020 newsletter. Amazing. I was stuck in Gene a few years back, yeah. Well, not no more. Now you just made up for it. Look at that Gene spike, dude. Went to 248. Whoa, Gene, baby. Nice. Got Gene. See that Gene, man. Sick. Nice, dude. Finally getting paid on Gene. Live, too, on the Mojo Show. That's beautiful. That's beauty. So I have the MOJO Day Trading website, guys. I got the home. You have the page you land on. Here's my subscriptions right here for the chat room, swing, and combo pack. These are $149 a month. The combo is $199. The special is you get them all right now. That's the special above for $149. Because if you're in the day trade, you don't want to not get the newsletter and see these picks on how I learned this system and can teach it to you over time, so you too can learn the Ken Slim, because it takes years and years of knowledge base and knowing what the hell to do. Seeing these situations over and over and over again, it's like a spinning wheel. You like that, right? Fidget. You're gonna need these as a trader, man. So yeah, that's the subs right there. You can listen to what the pro traders have to say. Been with me since 2013, 2014, still with me. Got 75 pages of those things, guys, you could check out. I got the day trading here on the website right here. It shows you how to kick the market's ass in the Mojo Day Trading chat room. I introduced myself and the glitch I got going in the market. And Pro Trader Richie right here, which I'll probably update these on the site. This is in the first 100,000 that he made right here. I've changed his life. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here to brag, but the same course he took there is free. You become a member of the room. And then the swing trading right here. Same thing. I get that swing trade newsletter. If you're too busy, not a problem. You learn that Ken Slim system. Bang, boom, the newsletter archive right here. If you click on that, you go back to 2012 and you get to see the first picks I ever did. Look, scroll back. December of 2012, I picked AMD, guys, at $2.32. It's at 39 right now. It's up 1,600%. I picked Facebook in the newsletter at 25.75. We made 20% on it, okay? Gain, made 5 points. It's now 201. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Gotta give this guy my link. So right there, that's the newsletter down there. Then you got January of 2013. You got picks like GNBT, which is 61 cents for it's up 1,400%. All these amazing picks. What they look like, where they were, prices back there in the day, man. Some amazing picks. This one's up 3,000%. Galena Pharmaceuticals right here has gone from $1.90 to 60 bucks. Look at that. Bam. $1.90 to 60 bucks. This one right here, ZGNX, has gone from $1.43 to $47. I remember trading that one. See that? Look at that. Amazing picks. Yes, medical marijuana. I traded that one beautiful for 100% gains so many times on medical marijuana when that was hot, when it first came out. Here's Gale, is at 60. I picked it at $1.86. It's 60. You know what I'm saying? That was a nice one. Here's Identiv Group at $1.50. It's 5 bucks. How about this month? Oh my gosh, look at all that. It's a UV and TV. Look, Varingo. Facebook right here. UVXYs, Vanda. UVXY calls. This is amazing. Go back, guys. Look at that page. I'm showing everything since 2012. Every newsletter that's ever gone out. Because it should be results oriented, right? A newsletter service. And for 25 years, I've researched every Sunday evening a scanning database of 8,000 stocks that fit the Ken Slim system. By 10 p.m., you get the PDF newsletter with my top 5 picks. Amazing. Here's a couple samples of the newsletter right there. Spend some time on the site, guys. It's a great value, and I give you that swing trading course for free. You can watch that too as well. Go to the watch list. Every morning, this should be your destination at 9 o'clock. I put up all the picks. Yesterday, I had TCCO, LMPX. They were hugest winners yesterday, guys. The hugest winners yesterday. Here's my watch list from yesterday. My Twitter's the best. Here's the watch list from yesterday. Did I put it up, Raj? Oh, that was crypto. I put up the crypto one. Yeah, little Christmas gift, guys. Little Christmas gift. So I got the watch list up here, guys. I have the day trading results, which I'll update today for Wednesday the 11th. Got a record day. Biggest number of trades throughout for the whole month was today. You could view that on the mobile, and you can view it on the website. Absolutely. And there's the standard disclaimer. Everything we do is fake. Don't worry about it. It's all fake. Just for education and glam. Let's see. Then we have the courses. Right here. Mike, God bless you for the university. I'm up to level 6 and joining Priceless Knowledge. I never made a penny before you. That's what they all say. Step-by-step training that you can do yourself, guys. Online education. Click right here and start watching the course. Take a preview of the course right here. So if you click right there, you enroll and you can take a preview of the course. It's $14.97 right there. but you could preview this class and you can preview this class. So I recommend doing that. Go into that preview, see what the other traders have been saying. Watch the video.
Human nature, no one can really do it. To hit a draw in golf, you have to swing to the right and hit it to the right to make it go left. It's against human nature. No one can do it.
In bowling, the same thing. In order to throw a strike, you have to throw it in the right gutter and have it draw back into the middle for the strike. It's against human nature for people to throw it into the gutter, man. Same thing with trading. It's against human nature, many of the things that you do in trading. Trading is 10%, I'd say 70% mental mistakes, 30% you got your system, something like that. Real easy. Man, look at that gene finally made its move, guys. I'm so happy. So happy. So if you like my show, please give me a thumbs up that you like. The kind of education and entertainment that I'm hooking you up with in the stock market, I don't think anybody does it better. I've seen everybody's shows. Patrick Weiland, Jason Bond doesn't have one. Warrior, the ums and the uhs kill you. It's like nails on a scratch board. Notorious front runner does one trade for the day and quits. That's not what day trading is all about at all. Then you got beginner trading. Then you got Boiler Room. You got Wall Street Live. You got so many of these guys. You got the only real one out there, kind of like myself, is Mier Barak from TradeNet, the company that I've partnered with, because I've looked into everybody else. They're real deal. It's a real business. People, they treat trading like a real business, like it should. Gene is third on the gainers list, guys. I can't believe it. Look at that. Gene, 234. Out of nowhere. Love it, dude. So Johns was picked earlier this morning to go through 9. It still is. Look at it at 931. ACRX was up big today. You could see right there, ACRX up big. I saw Shrax in my research Sunday night right here on this red bar, but it actually went lower the next day, so it would have freaked me out, and then it spit and vomited on your face. This is called the shining trade play. So you own it like here, like please go up, I got the bottom. And then it goes here, and you're like, shh, damn. And then it sucks you out right there. And then it comes up, and it spits. Right here, it spit on you. This line, it vomited on you. And then this line at the top, it kind of like this. At that point, you go like this. Red rum. That's murder spelled backwards. Because if you got sucked out down here and it's here and you wanted it here, you just want to kill yourself. You just want to kill yourself. But you need to kill the market, guys. Like we do. Watch. Go ahead, sign up. Specials right there. You see me on the show. Go ahead, brushing. I'll hook you up. Got a guy in the room wants to sign up. Make sure you subscribe to my videos. Make sure you get the holiday promo right there. Sign up. 30% off all the members. Shipper lippers. Let me show you the tenure. Let me show you the tenure of some of the guys that are left in the room. Pro Trader Adrian, first month. Aceto, second month. Second month, first month, third month, fifth month, second month. Been with me since 2014, 5 years, here every day. Then you have Boyd, 3 years. 3 months, 2 years, 5 years for Carol, 6 months, 3 months, a year, couple of months, 5 years for Hopper, 5 years, a year and a half for JC Dave. Jesse, couple of months. Kent, 6 years, couple of months. 6 years for Lizzie. 2 years for Meteor Man. 3 years for Mike. Couple of months. 6 months. 2 years. 4 years for Saywin. 4 months. Couple of months. 4 years for Randy. 3 years for Ramey. 4 years, 3 years for Rhodesy. 40 days for Richie. Saywin, 4 years. Scalper, couple of months. Slab, many months. And this ain't everybody. And then we got Sully, Saldo, couple of months. Couple of years. A year. Couple of months. Couple of years. Couple of months. Couple of months. Couple of months. There you go, guys. And then the people that are offline is no one right here. They're not joined yet. And there's 900 other people that are offline. Pro Trader Allen, right here, my first student ever. We started it together. He's the first guy. He paid me $2,000 to teach him what I know. It was the best move he ever did. He was able to get rid of his insurance business that he had for 25 years, spending $50,000 a month to make $100,000 a month, and had a big, huge employee staff and a lot of headaches and never saw his kids and family. Changed that around. He's been with me since 2012, 7 years. Gerardo, 5 years. And Mar, 5 years. And Joe here earlier for 5 years, 4 years. And that's what we got going on. The tenure of the people in the room. I'd love for you to join, guys. Did you join? Brushing? Did you join? I welcome you to the room, man. Check out the main screen. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. We've had an amazing day. Upcoming earnings calls coming out are on Sienna, the Love Company, the Love Sack. Never even heard of this company. What a symbol, huh? I never heard of this company before. Did you? You ever heard of that company? The Love Sack. I got a Love Sack. You know what I'm saying? These are upcoming earnings calls on the after the market closes and beyond for 12/11 right there. I just give out valuable information, dudes. You know what I'm saying? All my information's valuable. Let's see what I got going on. Did that guy join? No, he didn't join. Let's see here. Senior Savvy subscribed to my channel. Hi, Senior Savvy. Nice. Thank you, sir. I'm live. See, you get this thing that says you're live on YouTube, see? If you subscribe to my channel, you get that email that says, yo, Mike's live, guys. Don't miss him. And Ada Nokoria subscribed to my channel. Thank you. Got 2 new subscribers to my channel today. Gotta like that. Gene, I can't believe Gene made the move, guys. Look at Gene, 240, guys. You got the Love Sack, G-Man. Dude, look at the Gene, homie. Can you believe it? Shrax is moving up too, dude. $1.61 on Shrax. Can't believe it either. Had that on my fucking watch list on Sunday, dude. I had too many picks, though, dudes. Had like 11. What am I supposed to add cracks in there too? Wasn't even trading volume at the time. I probably would have missed it, had to throw it out earlier because it was on my watch list. We would have probably nailed 15%, not 22% in it. Darnsky Menarnsky. You just making a trade? Well, good for you, dude. Nice. Hope you win. I gave you the link, dude. My websites, mojodaytrading.com/special. I'll give it to you again so you don't have to go look for it. Making me work. I'll give you the combo pack, Bubba. You're getting the combo. Bought some shares of Lulu? That's not a good idea. That's not a good idea. Yeah, hold off on your trading until you watch my course, please. It'll take 2 days. Thank you. You'll be pro trader brush. Pro trader brush to the room. So you got the Sienna Love Sack. Love Sack. You got Sorrento coming out with earnings, guys. SRNE at $4. Was going to open up at 6 tomorrow. Or 7. And Veru. Telling you, man. SRNE can open up at $7. Or it can open up at $1. Bad earnings.
Oh, damn.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Should I buy it?
Maybe.
Should I sell it?
MAYBE. Let's go with maybe.
Okay, should I buy it?
Maybe.
Buy it?
Maybe.
Sell it?
Maybe.
How come you can't make up your mind? Come on. All right, let's take that out of here. We don't like it. We don't like it. All right, so we're not doing that. I don't like that one at all. Yeah, you'll never do options trades again after you watch my course. You won't do options anymore, trust me. Trust me. You will not be doing no options after my course, bro. And I can get you set up with that. They give you the money to trade. 80K in capital. No PDT rule. That's what I'm talking about, brush. See? You don't never gonna trade options ever again. You take 27 hundo, get 80,000, get 75% of your pay, make $500 a day. Dude, 10,000 a month, 75 hundo to you. Boom, grow your account from that to the next one where you get $160,000 in trading. Absolutely. That's the pro. Let's see what that one is. That's the pro. I need a picture of that. That was on my to-do list. So this one is the expert. This one is the expert. And then this one is the pro. The pro you get 240,000. So now I want to show you right here, Mr. Brush. let's see. You got all right, so you got the student, which is 27 hundo, and you get 80 grand at 75%. They got the expert for 5,400. You get 160 grand. You get 80% of your profits. So this one is 8,100. You get 240,000 and 85% of your profits. Quite the programs, if you want to go that way. And they have one other one, which is the intro, and that's the smallest. And that's for $399. You get a $14,000 account with a 70%. Those are all the packages. So those are available to you. Shall we trade together? Demo trade for 2 days. I mean, I'll show you. Here's the steps. Let me show you the steps. I have them written down. I'll go through the steps with everyone so you all understand. So step number 1 is become a member of the chat room for $149. Number 2, enroll in Mojo University course, start watching and graduate. Step 3, get the platform with the trading account and in demo mode, first paper trade while I coach you for a week. Step 4, once profitable and get it, turn it live and make a few hundred a day as a goal along with me. That's what I do. Look at the signal on Shrek. It's got 200 at 161. 20,000 shares, man. 20,000 large shares, dude. That's a lot. FWP. Look at this spike. Forward Pharmaceuticals. Just went from 650 to 10. Look at this stock. C2 FWP. Look at that stock. That was a doubler. Of course. Yeah, absolutely. Here's the absolutely. Let's head back to the room, see what they're doing. Oh, crazy day, guys. Trading takes so much out of you. You're here for an hour, it feels like 5 hours. You're here for 2 hours, feels like 10 hours. You're here for 3 hours or 4, feels like, oh my God, a week. A week. Most traders are doing this, man. I seen it. So many times. It's a shame. If this is you, just come chat with me, guys. Damn, I hate my trading room. Damn, I hate trading. Damn, I can't win. Oh, son of a bitch. Damn, I lose when everyone else wins. God, these picks are damn terrible. Shit. I can't win. Screw this desk. God damn it. Oh, these commissions, man. They freaking eat me up. Ugh. Need more capital. God darn it. Want another trading room. Can't stand that stuff, right? Telling you guys. Telling you. Let's see what JB's doing today, shall we? Boris rips. What's up, kid?
Naga right now on my scooter. I've never really done like a video with any of the local riders around here before, so I'm gonna head on over to Boris's house and pick him up. We're just gonna do a little bit of a day in the life with him.
He's in the Philippines.
Usually there's like a meeting over there, but right now they ran out of meat. So yeah, it's one of the best place to go when you want to eat this kind of food. It's called Kinalas. One of the best places in Naga City. Big Classic ones. You guys want to go here, check it out.
Damn, dude. That thing looks cool.
Yeah. But there's no meat right now because they ran out of meat, but it's good. It's one of my favorite. Gets you full. There's like egg right there.
That was only 40 pesos?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Filipino.
Boris just finished up eating, and we're gonna head to Naga City Skate Park right now and film him doing some moves.
We're gonna start it on the water real soon.
He's on JB's board. The Dubai. He must not have a
I
board.
don't know, Boris usually wake skates, but he's wakeboarding right now, and he claims he's about to send a big old gap over the whole jeepney. So yeah, let's see if he can do it. Yo, what's up? You wanna try that again? All right, one more try, and then we go wake skate.
Yeah, sure. I think I can land it this time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know, I just feel it. I have the feeling.
Okay, don't let me down.
I want like backside 180.
He's on his wake skate now. It's a skate. He just stands on it. We're just with sneakers. That's it.
Oh, boy, you're killing it. Oh, dude, you're ripping.
Sweet, man.
Boris thinks he's gonna do a 3-shove right here.
Oh.
Yeah, dude, you're killing it.
Sweet. Woo!
Oh yeah, dude, you killed it.
Thank you, bro.
You done for now?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna rest a bit.
That's where he learns how to do it all, boys. Sweet. Very nice. That was very nice and tricky. That was super nice, dudes. I'm Pro Trader Mike. That was JB O'Neill, dude. I love watching his videos. So let's see what we got here towards the end of the day in the Mojo room. And with these stocks. Beyond my stock is 76.27. It hasn't stopped today. We got it here on the open. It came down. Now it's all the way back up. Pull my slider on it. Look at the V it's made. Triangle City, man. Came right down to the bottom. Went all the way back up. Amazing. Amazing, dude. Man, I love that. I'm going to trade UVXY. I'm not trading it today. I'm going to trade it tomorrow. MRNS. BLCM at $1.04. Let me see if I ever picked BLCM. Nice. I got you now, bud. He says he just joined. Says, I've been waiting to join for a while. I had to wait until my 3-month subscription was up in another Discord for stocks where I was losing money with zero guidance. Well, that's all going to change. Changing. Winner. That's what I got to say. Only 2 words. That's all you need. 2 words. Let's delete that. Let's delete that. These are my tweets that come into the room in case people don't see me on the Twitter. They always have that opportunity to jump in on that. PSTV made a spike. Nice, Oliver. I know you're always watching that one. What do we got here? This guy's mad. He's just a terrible trader. Yep, there he goes. Up. Shit. Damn. I hate that. All right, guys. Let's see if he did join. We welcome him into the room. Yeah, he did. Trader Rush. Like it. Where's his name? Brushing. So he becomes a pro trader. Let me show you what I do when he joined. So I go to him right here. He's brushing. I make him a pro trader. Add him as a friend, and I change his nickname to Pro Trader Rush. I like that better. So now he needs an avatar. I wanted to put this in here too. So this is that one and that one. I wanted to put in, let's see, I wanted to put in this one. I got those programs in there. And then I come up here and I want to give him this to change your profile picture. Do that, and now I'll send you a welcome to Mojo U, how you can enroll. Thanks for the confidence. Thank you for joining. I'll register you for the swing. So you'll get an email. Right there, see that? Done, 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 and done. Good job, guy. Gave you that. Go enroll there. I'm going to put your name in and subscribe you into the swing newsletter right now with that email address you provided. Add subscriber. Boom. You're in, dude. And I'm going to add you to this. You get access to that Google Drive. And now you got access to that too, dude, my Google Drive. You could see all the swing picks in the model portfolio. See that, dude? Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, definitely. Absolutely. You signed up for the Mojo U. I'm going to get you enrolled. Let me show you how I enroll them in Mojo U. Users. All right, Brandon. Online course and Mojo Toolbox is your first start. Refresh page. See course. See that? Start with this course first. Look, start with the October 2017 course first. Then watch the February 2018 one. Also, leave comments under the lessons on how you truly feel. Okay? Nice. Good job, dude. Welcome. Let's see what we got here as a close. I'm so glad I stayed away from the temptations of UVXY. Aren't you glad, guys? Because now it's 72. You know what I'm saying? The temptations. So temptational, right? Isn't it so tempting? Ooh. Tempting. Look, if you Google it, how to day trade, you're going to find me, guys. Look, you know, you're going to see Jason and Warrior too, but hopefully you'll see me too. Woo. Dig it, guys, right? Dig it. Dig it, right? Dude, my gene is 240. Yeah, man. I gave you full access to Discord. You should be in now. Didn't I? I did. There you are, your Pro Trader Rush. Show them how to connect to my voice. Dudes, I have everything on hand ready to go, dudes, to help everyone. Right there is how you connect to the voice in the Mojo chat room. Look, I'm so glad I stayed away from UVXY, that piece of crap. I'd be losing it. See that? So Rush, that's how you double click and you click on the thing. Check out that UV, man, just dumped again. 70, stopping station 72. Here it'll probably bounce. You're probably getting a likely bounce here on UV, guys. You got a C2 UVXY. at the 1572 stop station. Right down there. That's a good one. Yeah. Is he in on the thing? Connect to voice. From mobile. Can't do a lot. Need to be on computer. Can't do a lot on your mobile phone. You know, of course. Check out the welcome page I sent you, man. I got a video for you. Go check out my welcome page, please. I made the welcome page. Got my welcome page, man. After you sign up, you get taken to the welcome page. Watch the video. Hey, I'm Gene. Amazing. I know. I can't believe it. How amazing is Gene? Here goes UV, 77. Don't look for much. Take the scalps when we got them, guys. 78. Take some. Little by little. If you're not paying no commissions, it's free money. Free money. What else we got going on? Let's do a pop. Let's do a pop in the room. POP. Ready? Pop. From 3,000 servers, a lot of people are talking about the SPY right now. They're talking about Amazon and GLD and Shop and Lulu and Baba and FWP and Tesla and Apple. Some big names. Some big names. So those are the Mojo most popular symbols right there. From an hour ago. SPY, Amazon, GLD, Shop, Lulu, Baba, FWP, which I saw in the room, Tesla and Apple. 40 on the SPY. Means UV's down. That's why they're all talking about, oh my God, I can't believe the SPY's going up. The SPY's going up. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Oh my God. So yeah, man, great job today, everybody. Very exciting hump day on the Wednesday. We had MBOT, we had LMPX, we had PSTV just popped back up there. Look at that. That made a nice spike. What else we got? That's it. Exciting, great day. Exciting, great day. That's how we're gonna wrap her up, it looks like. I want to thank my new trader for joining. Welcome to the room, bud. Thank you again. Hopefully everyone will catch that smart bug you just got and be like, you know, all you got to do is watch 5 of my shows, guys. 1 or 2 just to make sure it's real and you like it. 3rd and the 4th just to make sure it's confirmed and it's all real deal. And then 1 more time, 5th, just to solidify it and be like, oh my God, I can't find one flawing error in what's going on. Thank you, thank you. And I'm joining.
Yeah, baby.
So guys, Mojo Day Trading Cost-Time Special. Happy holidays. Thank you so much. And I'll see you under the tree, right? Look at that. In the tree. Join the team. Hey guys and gals, peace. Keep it profitable. Later. Check out my videos up there in the corner when they pop up of some of them other shows and playlists and testimonials. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel also. Peace. See you later. I'll catch you on the next one. Mike signing off later.